are featuring tonight one of my very favorite bands. I think we've had Dusty Chaps probably about 8 times at Sound of Summer at least. At least. He's really got a great sound, and he does the classics, which is awesome. Plus, he's pretty funny. He's pretty funny. We've got one more concert after this, the grand finale of the Sounds of Summer 2020. The social distancing concerts will feature Blair Williams and the New Direction Bluegrass Band. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please give a nice round of applause for one of my favorite country bands, Dusty Chaps.
Thanks, Patsy. It's an old Johnny Cash song. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tide that binds. And happiness will prove that you're mine. If you're still mine, I'll walk the line. You got a way to keep me by your side. You give me cause for love that I can't hide. For you I know I'd even try to turn the tide. Because you're mine, I'll walk the line. Little steel guitar, here's Woody. We got a banjo over there, a little 5-string. As sure as night is dark and day is light, well, I'll keep you on my mind both day and night. And happiness will prove that it's right. If you're still mine, I'll walk the line. Get it, Luther? Thank you, folks. Nice afternoon. Thank you all for showing up for the Sounds of Summer celebration. We're Dusty Chaps. I think it's time to introduce the band. Tom, I'm Dale. That's Woody over there, and this is Ron. Hi, Ron. Hey, Rick. I'm Dale. Pleased to meet you. Thank you. Okay, with that being said and done, I guess we'll mosey on into some classic country music. Heartache number 1 was when you left me. Well, I never thought that I could hurt this way. And heartache number 2 was when you came back again. You came back, but never meant to stay. Yeah. I've got heartaches by the number, troubles by the score. Every day you love me less, each day I love you more. Yes, I've got heartache by the number, a love that I can't win. The day that I stop counting, that's the day my world will end. Little pedal steel guitar. ready. Number 3 was when you called me and you told me you'd be coming home to stay. With a hopeful heart, I waited for your knock on my door. Hey, I waited, but you must have lost your way. Yeah, I got heartaches by the number, troubles by the score. Every day you love me less, each day I love you more. Hey, I've got heartaches by the number, a love that I can't win. The day that I stop counting, that's the day my world will end. Yeah, the day that I stop counting, that's the day my world will end. All right, man, that's some sweet banjo playing and steel guitar playing. We're turning a lot of these old classic songs into jam sessions. There's usually a song's got like a musical introduction and then some lyrics and a chorus, then a little playing thing. We put a little bit more playing in the middle than the song usually warrants, but makes it more fun that way for us.
Tommy back here had his Louise this morning.
And Tommy back here, what I like about Tommy Davis on the drums, he's not cymbal-minded. I'd like to remind you folks, if you'd like to see us with our own 1-hour TV show on the PBS channel every Friday night, just please give them a call or write to them or something like that. We'd appreciate it. Here's a song by Roger Miller. It's called King of the Road. G, A minor, and D. Trailers for sailor rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. But 2 hours of pushing broom buys an 8x12 old 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. Third boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old clothes and worn out shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies that I have found, kind of short but not too big around. Yeah, I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. And I know every engineer on every train, all of their children, all of their names, every handout in every town, and every box that ain't locked when no one's around. Get it, Woody? Sailor rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. Boxcar midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Well, clothes and worn out shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies that I have found. Kind of short, but not too big around. I'm a man of means, by no means. King of the road, king of the road. Little jazz. King of the road. That's a jazz ending on old Roger Miller's song. Hey, we got Nelson Wood over here on the pedal steel guitar. We're going to feature him on a song. Country, I'll kiss your dupa. Here's a guy was one of my favorites back doing the old Bakersfield country music called Buck Owens. This is one of his first hits. There's a tiger by the tail. Key of C, guys. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. Won't be much when you get through with me. I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I got a tiger by the tail. Well, I thought the day I met you, you were meek as a lamb, just to kind of fit my dreams and plans. And now the pace we're living brings the pink from my sail, and it looks like I got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. Won't be much when you get through with me. I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale, and it looks like I got a tiger by the tail. Let's hear it, Woody. just ain't no way to slow you down. And I'm about as helpless as a leaf in a gale. It looks like I got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. Won't do much when you get through with me. I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale, and it looks like I got a tiger by the tail. Yeah, it looks like I got a tiger by the tail. All right, little Buckhorn's glad we don't have his initials.
Yeah.
That was slowed up a little bit. Here's one by Hank Williams Sr. called You're Cheating Hard. Key of A, guys. Your cheating heart is gonna make you weep. You'll cry and cry. You're gonna try to sleep. Oh, but sleep won't come the whole night through. Your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. When tears come down like falling rain, you toss around and call my name. Dusty! You'll walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart gonna tell on you. Play it pretty, Nelson. Your cheating heart is gonna find someday you'll crave a love that you threw away. Oh, but sleep won't come the whole night through. Your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. When tears come down like falling rain, you're gonna toss around and call my name. You'll walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. Your cheating heart is gonna tell on you. Yeah. All right, thanks, little Hank Williams Sr. Here's a song by Money Hidden Out Behind the Commode, Johnny Cash. Sweet, come on, train. Yeah, I hear that train a-comin', rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging by. Every time I hear that whistle, I hang my head and I cry. Yeah, when I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, boy, you sure ugly Wish I had a gun, but I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Every time I hear that whistle, I hang my head and I cry. Play that steel. Lots of people in that fancy dining car. They're probably drinking whiskey, smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming, and I know I can't be free. And every time I hear that whistle, hey, that's what tortures me. Wait again, Nelson over there on steel guitar. From this prison, if that railroad train were mine, I know I'd move it on a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And every time I heard that whistle, it'd blow my blues away. Let's take it home, guys. Johnny Cash, yeah. Hey, thanks, folks. How you guys doing at the cameras there? Got WKTV fellas here. 3 camera shoot. This is the big time. I don't know which one to look at. You all look good, though. I'd like to do this next song for my grandma Chaps. She turned 88 years old about 3 weeks ago, and she went on a health kick. Decided to go, she started walking 3 miles a day. And now we don't know where the heck she's at, so we're going to dedicate this next song to her. It's a sing-along. We'd like you all to sing along with us. Key of A, guys. I know you all know the words. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. And oh dear, I was mistaken. And I hung my head and I cried. Sing along. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh yeah. My sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Hey, thanks for singing along. I seen some lips moving out there. I knew you knew most of the words. More than I know anyway. Here's another song by Hank Williams Sr. We're doing songs from the 50s and 60s and 70s. This one here is from the early 50s. And some of you ladies know who this is about. It's called Hey Good Looking in the key of G, guys. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop, dancing's free. You wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up, baby? Oh, and then we'll play with that steel guitar, yeah. I'm free and I'm ready. Honey, we can go steady. How's about keeping steady company? Hey, hey, good looking. Now what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Find me a new one for 5 or 10 cents. I'm gonna keep it till it's covered with age. Writing your name, girl, in every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? How about a little banjo? We missed you last time. $2 bill. And I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop, dancing free. You want to have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me? Oh, yeah. Woo. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. I couldn't think of a better thing to be doing. Man, you know, if it wasn't for being out here, I'd probably be at home watching that darn television, and they're all reruns. They ain't even new shows coming out now. So this is a good way to get out of the house. Thinking, man, let's do a little Willie Nelson for a change of pace. We'll do On the Road Again in the key of C. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places I ain't never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to get on the road again. Get on the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music for my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. Ain't that right now? For my friends, I can't wait to get on the road again. Yeah, I can't wait to get on the road again. Oh, yeah, I love them Willie songs. He's still around and kicking too, doggone it. Here's a little song about moonshine. This features everybody in the band. We're going to have a little jam session here. It's called That Good Old Mountain Dew, Wackadoo, Wackadoo. Key of G, guys. You know, I was on the way down here. I stopped and I asked my grandpa Chaps, I said, I'm going down to the park. What's the fastest way down there? And he said, well, are you walking or are you driving? And I says, I'm driving. He goes, that's the fastest way. Road there from me, there's an old hollow tree. Run off a gallon or two. You go round the bend, you come back again, find some good old Mountain Dew. Sing along with me. They call it that good old Mountain Dew, Dew. Them that refuse it are few. I hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Little steel. runs off a gallon or two. Them vultures in the sky get so drunk they can't fly on that good old Mountain Dew. Sing along with me. Call it that good old Mountain Dew, do, do. Them that refuse it are few. I hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Yeah, they call it that good old Mountain Dew, do, do. Them that refuse it are few. I hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Yeah, they call it that good old Mountain Dew. And them that refuse it are few. Hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Yeah, hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Thanks, folks. Nothing like having a couple of sing-alongs in the middle of a set. You can never tell when somebody's going to want to belt one out. Here's a song by Don Gibson. They named the guitars after him. Either that or he named himself after the guitars. Key of C, fellas? Called Oh, Lonesomey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's going out, having fun, and I'm just a fool for sitting home and having none. I can't get over how this COVID-19's got me set free. Ooh, lonesome me. Now, bad mistake I've made by just hanging around, sitting home while she was out painting up the town. I'm a lovesick fool that's blind, just can't see. Ooh, lonesome me. Well, I bet she's not like me, acting fancy free, just flirting with them boys with all her charm. And brother, don't you know, yeah, I still love her so. I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Oh, there must be some way I can lose these lonesome blues. Forget about the past and get me somebody new. Thought of everything from A to Z. Ooh, lonesome me. Oh, yeah. Well, I bet she's not like me. She's out and fancy free, just flirting with the boys with all her charm. And brother, don't you know, hey, I still love her so. I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Oh, there must be some way I can lose these lonesome blues. Forget about the past and get me somebody new. I thought of everything from A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. All right, thanks, folks. Man, I felt like I haven't played this guitar in about 5 years. I got this book, and it said how to learn how to play guitar. I sent away for it, and it's supposed to come in the mail, and I only got one copy. That kind of explains something. And for the longest time, I couldn't figure out what went wrong. And then one day I saw my mailman. He got all the other copies. He was on the Hee Haw TV show playing the guitar, doggone it. Yeah, just wasn't right. Here's one by the Oak Ridge Boys. This is another sing-along called Elvira. She got eyes that look like heaven and lips like cherry wine. My, oh my, that little girl sure can shine. We're gonna jump and holler, 'cause I saved up $2. We're gonna search, find that preacher man, and I'll be singing Elvira. Elvira, my heart's on fire. Elvira, where's my horse at? Well, giddy up, papa, papa, mow, mow. Giddy up, papa, papa, mow. I owe silver away. Heaven, lips like cherry wine. My, oh my, that little girl sure can shine. We're gonna jump and holler, 'cause we saved up a few dollars. We're gonna search and find that preacher man, and I'll be singing Elvira, Elvira. My heart's on fire, Elvira. Hit me out. Oh, giddy up, papa, papa, mow, mow. Giddy up, papa, papa, mow. I owe silver away. Talking to myself again, wondering if this traveling is good. If there's something else to do it, we'd be doing if we could. And all the stories we could tell. And if it all goes up and blows to hell, well, I wish that I could sit down on a bed in some motel and listen to the stories we could tell. Hey, remember that guitar in a museum in Tennessee? The name played on the face brought back 100 melodies. The scratches on the face told him every time he fell, singing every story he could tell. And oh, the stories we could tell. And I bet you it still rings like a bell. And I wish that we could sit back on a bed in some motel and listen to the stories he could tell. How about a little banjo on this one? Hey, if you're on the road, playing out most every night, picking for a living neath those brightly colored lights, if you ever wonder why you ride that carousel, hey, you done it for the stories you could tell. And oh, the stories we could tell. Yes, oh, the stories we could tell. All right. Yeah, that's one of the few songs the Everett Brothers did that didn't become a big hit. It was not one of their album cuts. Here's a song by a fellow named Paul Siebel. He's more of a folk guy, but it was a country song. It's country now, anyway. It's in C, guys. This is about a girl called Louise. They all said Louise was not half bad. It was written on the walls and window shades. And everybody thought, man, it's kind of sad how Louise passed this afternoon. Sometimes it's a bottle of perfume, sometimes some pillows and some lace. Man bought Louise 10 cent trinkets. Their intentions were easily traced. Oh, but the wind, it's blowing cold tonight. Good night, Louise. Good night. Train somewhere to the south, I heard them say. too bad she had to go so ugly. It's too bad she had to go that way. Oh, but the wind, it's blowing cold tonight. Good night, Louise. Good night, Louise. Good night, Louise. Good night. Here's a little sing-along called I've Been a Fool. 1, 2, 3. I've been a fool. I've been a fool, I've been a fool, I've been a fool. For giving you each time you done me wrong. I've been a long time leaving here, I'll be a long time gone. Loved you so much.
How much, Dale?
You ask me how much? Loved you so cotton picking, finger licking, chicken plucking much. And that's a lot now. I trusted you and then you done me wrong. I've been a long time leaving here, be a long time gone. Here's the sing-along part, help me out. Hi there, highline, hello, highway. Here come a big old semi my way. Stick out my thumb, see the truck come, but the truck goes by and it look like flying. Woman, the big legs on my Levi's go whoop, 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 whoop. A lot of whooping there. I've been a fool. I've been a fool, I've been a fool, I've been a fool. For giving you each time you done me wrong. I've been a long time leaving here, I'll be a long time gone. Last chance to sing along. Hi there, highline, hello, highway. Here come a big old semi-way. Wait, stick out my thumb. See the truck come, but the truck goes by. Whoop like a flying and whooping the big legs on my device. I've been a fool. I've been a fool, I've been a fool, I've been a fool. Oh, yeah. I trusted you and then you done me wrong. Been a long time leaving here, I'll be a long time gone. I'll be gone, gone, gone. That's right, while she's fooling around with that old cotton-picking, finger-licking chicken plucker, I'm going to be heading down here to Cutlerville Park, where everybody has a good old time, just singing along and clapping their feet and stomping their hands. Did I say that right? I don't think so. Getting on them newfangled telephones and calling up their friends and telling them, hey, get on down here, man. The Williams family's getting ready to go on, and they're going to be going right up till 9 o'clock. And Ethan. Williams family's coming right up. Y'all stick around, yeah. Thanks, folks.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, flowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place that I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home down the country road. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country road, take me home to the place West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home down country road. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place that I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home down country roads, take me home down country roads, take me home down country roads.
Thank you. Thanks for singing along. That's a great song.